So cost was one. The transparency of the pricing, which you may know is a big issue with some of the other providers, and forex fees and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so that was that. I knew what I was getting, and the platform just looked very easy to use. So I could go in and see all my renewals, and I could give instructions through the portal. That was all really clear and easy. It's super clear what I'm paying for, which I really like. I like the fact that you could see, okay, what are the official fees? What's the agent fee? And what's your fee? I actually found the invoices really easy to follow. So when you sent an invoice, which was showing what was coming up, it was really easy to look at that and go, okay, so this is what I'm paying. Oh yeah, look, there's the official fee. There's this, then there's this. So you can kind of see all of that. So I think that all worked. It was just generally speaking, it was a very smooth system to operate. It just worked well. Based on all the factors I already mentioned, I would definitely recommend other companies to take a serious look at your offering and give it a go, because I think it's an excellent offering. I think it's a breath of fresh air in the world of patent renewals.